Hello students, I am Saroj Sharma. I am working as a primary teacher in KV Barpeta. Today I am here with new poem I Am Lucky, that is from class 2nd. This poem is about the feeling of a young girl. The girl thinks if she were any other creature like a butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo or octopus, she would be happy and thankful to God for everything she had in her life. But in the end of the poem, she thinks she is lucky for what she is. She also asks questions to the readers if they are happy and satisfied with what they had in her life and if they feel themselves lucky. Now move on to poem. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. What do you think? You want to be? Do you want to be like me? Or just you? Just you. I hope you all liked poem. This is time for word meaning. First word is manna. M-Y-N-A, manna. A small bird. Second one is fish. F-I-S-H. An animal that lives in water. Third one is kangaroo. 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 An animal with thick tail and hind legs. Fourth one is butterfly. 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 An insect with beautiful wings. Fifth one is octopus. 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 An octopus is a sea animal with 8 arms. Let's move on towards next page. That is, let's listen. In this, you will hear about kangaroo's dream. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang wake up with a bang. Now this is the time for silence game. Let's see what we need to do. In this, close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words: butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. So dear children, you are not in school yet, so you can take help of parents instead of your teacher. For this, your parents will speak the names of some creatures. You have to imagine them by closing eyes and moving like them. Now, move on to question answers. First one is, why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? Answer is, the butterfly likes its wings because they are very colorful. Second question is, what can the manna do? The manna can sing and fly high in the sky. Question third is, what can you do? Sing, paint or write? Answer is, I can sing, paint and dance also. Question fourth is, do you think the fish was really happy to be in water? Yes, the fish was really happy to be in water as she can swim in it with its fins. Now it is turn to complete the sentences. Here some animals are named and you have to tell their actions. A butterfly. Butterfly can fly. A manna. A manna can sing. A fish. A fish can wriggle. An elephant. An elephant can raise its trunk. A kangaroo can hop. Let's move forward. Write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. These are some examples from my side, but you can also do according to yourself because there is so much that you can do so. Try to do this yourself. Right? I can sing. I can dance. I can write. I can jump. I can read. And I cannot fly, but I can walk. I cannot crawl, but I can run. I cannot chirp, but I can sing. And next is give yourself a big star for being what you are. In this, please make a star in your notebook or book for yourself because you all are a good children. So it becomes your right to do something good for yourself. Right? Now, this is time for practice or you can say homework. Please write one page for improving your formation and in let's write section. Some words are given in which you have to add a full word and make a new word. For example, in this, help word has given in bracket in which you have to add full and now it has become helpful. Like you must be dash to your friends. You must be helpful to your friends. And for this you can take help of your parents also. This was all for poem I Am Lucky. Hope you all liked it and I also hope that you will do your homework on time. Now in the end I am giving you an activity to draw yourself. Here I am sharing a video. From it you will get an idea how to start drawing. Good luck children. let's meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.